Lagos Beach in Nigeria is a great destination for those wanting to enjoy the beauty of the West African coast. With fine white sand and blue seawater, Lagos Beach attracts visitors with not only its natural beauty, but also its vibrant atmosphere and variety of entertainment activities. Lagos Beach is located in a particularly favorable geographical location, located on the southwest coast of Nigeria in the Lagos State region, one of the most populous and most developed states of Nigeria. Located near the central area of Lagos, this beach is one of the top tourist attractions of this major city. With a humid, tropical climate, Lagos witnesses a distinct rainy cycle from April to July, along with a dry season from November to March. This creates ideal conditions for the growth of diverse plant species, animals and plants on the coast, as well as providing visitors with an exciting environment to explore. Lagos Beach in Nigeria is an animal and reef paradise, attracting underwater nature lovers from around the world. With a diverse ecosystem, Lagos Beach is home to hundreds of species of fish and other marine life. The coral reefs here create an ideal habitat for all kinds of fish, as well as all kinds of tiny sea creatures, such as sea turtles and shrimp. With the glittering sunlight reflecting on their skin and the cool feeling of ocean waves, the girls at Lagos Beach shine with bright smiles and natural charm. They wear brilliant bikinis and cool ao dye, creating a picture of free and attractive beauty on the beach. Lagos Beach in Nigeria is not only a popular tourist destination, but also has a profound influence on the country's economy and culture. Join us as we explore the world through exciting adventures on our Wandering channel. Subscribe now so you don't miss any videos and continue to follow new journeys, beautiful places, and memorable experiences. Join us to experience and share memorable moments with Wandering Channel today.